scammers give up for the day, that's when the orders start coming in. That's probably true, Sarah. You're probably right about that. Help me, I'm homeless. If you homeless, what are you doing in here? I'm gonna put you in timeout so you can figure out how to improve your homeless situation. Let's see. They be having $20 and $25 eighths in St. Charles, straight up. That's not bad. Austin the OG, what up? What up, Shadow? What up, Woogie Boogie? What up, Austin the OG? What up, By Ham? Who's in LA? Shadow. What do you do on the channel? I'm doing it right now, entertaining you. Jesus loves us all. That's true. I day trade, bro. Hit me up. Let's trade. I had the email pinned. If you got it, you got it. If you didn't, check it out on the replay. Send me an email. Let's collaborate. Where my groceries? I've been waiting for an hour. Where is the tip? I've been waiting my whole life for that tip. Where is it at? Pause. Pause. Do you tip? Yes. Pause. Your glasses are nice. Which ones? These ones right here. Hold on. These my favorite. These my favorite right here. Hold on. Because you know, I just increased my intelligence level by 35%. That's what you got to realize. Okay? So you got to keep you some of these on you. You know what I'm saying? Do you see this? Absolutely. Now that I got my spectacles on and I can read properly, I see everything. What up? How are you? I'm doing good because now I can see my future more clearly. Do you see these glasses I got on? Love from Pakistan. What it do? Stay humble, DT. I cannot. Can you show me your riz? I'm showing it right now. Do you not see these on my face, bruh? I just increased my intelligence level and my attraction level at the same time in correlation. This is what you got to realize. I'm trying to teach you the game. I'm trying to teach you, but don't spam my chat. You got any moderators? Well, shit, I do now because you are a brand new moderator. Stop playing with me. You in St. Louis? No. I'm on the other side of the river. Where my moderators at? We got spammers. Riz, please. Mate, can you y'all on some weird shit. Have you played Sonic and Knuckles? That's my shit. Huh? That's my shit. Stop playing. Hold on now. Hold on now. Let me see. We got lots of spam. What's the Giga Chad face? I think I seen it. Whose car is that? It's yours. And I'm not bringing it back. I'm not bringing it back ever. What's up, Sheila? Just found out my cousin's pregnant with a boy. Wow. Y'all be on some other shit. Lego versus. Can you shout me out? No. Squash that Smurf. Where you from? Gift me some Robux. What the fuck is Robux? Hey man, what the hell is Robux? I ain't never heard of this shit. You see me trying to spot my next Walmart Spark order. I got a disguise on that, so when I pull up next to these scammers, they not finna realize it's me. I donated $400 next week. Will you come by again? I don't need $500. I'm always here. I'm always here. I'm always here for you guys. Look, we got 9 minutes to the next drop. If they don't send me a $50 curbside pickup, it's about to be some issues, okay? It's about to be some issues because now that I have increased my intelligence level by 35% with these shades on, I see all the bullshit that they trying to bring my way, okay? I see it all. I'm about to pull up and ask some questions because they can't refuse me. With an intelligent level at this height, with these glasses, I cannot be refused my questions, okay? And I'm about to ask them. I'm keeping these glasses on all day. I'm glad I found these. Because you know what? I feel smarter now that I put these on. Is that how it works with glasses? When you put them on, you just automatically become smarter? I think that's how it works. That's what we're rocking with today. I heard somebody say that if you wear glasses, the YouTube algorithm like you more. It may be true. We're going to find out today. I see we just got 10 new people up in here. And I seen y'all say that these look like some frames that I just popped the shades out of. No. These is my actual glasses, okay? I need these to see, okay? I need these. Come on, you got it. Go ahead. No, you don't want it? You don't want it? Well, fuck it then. I guess I'm going to take it then if you don't want it. Shit, I tried to get it to you. Now you got to wait. See? Try to be nice. They just want to stop my shine. They trying to end my live stream, y'all.